This quick tutorial answers the search how to buy shares of Humble Group AB, ticker HUMBLE.ST, listed on CBOEEU. Humble Group AB operates in the online gaming and digital services sector. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker HUMBLE.ST to locate the correct Humble Group AB listing. Confirm the exchange and company name to ensure you have the right asset. Open the Humble Group AB asset page to read the company summary and view the price chart so you can confirm this is the correct stock. Check basic details such as market, CBOEEU, and the ticker HUMBLE.ST. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details including any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or held depending on order type. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. When the order is executed, your Humble Group AB position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example linked to eToro, see the description below.